This week, you will be working on Within Word Sort 25. We are going to be working on ER, which says EAR, which says ear. The first vowel does the talking, so E says ear. Same thing with this one and two vowels go walking. That first vowel does the talking, so ER also says ear. And then the fourth column is a little tricky. It's spelled with an EAR, but it actually makes the sound of like earth. So it makes that UR sound. So let's look at the first word, clear. I notice that clear has the EA, so I have two EAR columns, but it says ear. It makes that E say its name. So clear will go into the EAR column that says ear. The next word is fern. Fern says and the only column that says and is spelled with an ER is the first column, so it's going to go under the ER. Our next word is cheer. Cheer says ear, so we have two columns that make that ear sound, but it's spelled with an EE. So it is going to go to our EE column. Our next word is heard. Again, heard says There's only one column that says and it's ER, so heard will go into our first column. Our next word is dear. This means that this dear is the one that you use in a letter. And so when you say dear your teacher, you spell it with an EAR and it says ear. So the dear that you use for a letter goes in the EAR column. Our next word is fear. Fear also makes the sounds of ear, but it is spelled with an EAR, so it's going to go to our EAR column that says ear. Our next word is perch. Perch says and it's spelled with an ER, and the only column that says is our first column, so perch is going to go to our first column. Sorry about that, let me fix that. Okay, sorry about that. Perch will go in that first column. My goodness. Our next word is learn. Learn is spelled with an EAR, but it says So the column that's spelled EAR, but it says with a UR, will go into our last column. Our next word is germ. Germ says and it is spelled ER, so it's going to go to our first column. Our next word is near. Near, it says ear, and there's two columns that say ear, but it's spelled with an EA, so near is going to go to our EA column. Our next word is heard. Again, it's spelled with an EAR, but it does not say ear. It says So the column that is spelled with an EAR but says the UR or makes the UR sound is our last column. Our next word is peer. Peer makes the ear sound and it's with two E's, so it's going to go in our blue column. Our next word is year. Year says ear and it has EAR, and so it's going to go in our green column. Our next word is clerk. Clerk says and it's spelled with an ER, and so it goes in our yellow column. Our next word is steer. Again, we have two columns that say ear, and this word has the EER, so it's going to go in our blue column. Our last word is earth. Earth is spelled with an EAR, but it says so it's going to go to our last column. These words are a little trickier this week. Make sure you're practicing throughout the week. Great job!